Hey guys, welcome back to ZanderGdrive, where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. Today I'm going to be sharing 20 manufacturing business ideas that require small capital. The first idea is soap making. This is a great business idea that can be started with a small investment. You can make different types of soaps such as hand soaps, body soaps, and specialty soaps. The second idea is candle making. This is a highly profitable business and candles are always in demand, and making them is a fun and creative process. You can make scented candles, decorative candles, and so much more. As mentioned before, it is a creative process. The third idea is jewelry making. This can be a profitable business, especially if you focus on unique or customized pieces. You can create your own designs or offer customer jewelry making services to your customers. The fourth idea is T-shirt printing. This is a popular business idea that can be started with a small investment, and you can create your own designs or offer custom printing services for your customers. Idea number 5 is homemade food products. If you have a talent for cooking, you can start a business making and selling homemade food products. You can create jams, sauces, baked goods, or sell combos that you have come up with that taste really good. Idea number 6 is handmade crafts. These are always in demand, and you can create a variety of items such as home decor, accessories, and gifts. Idea number 7 is pet toys. This is another great business idea that can be started with a small investment. You can create a variety of toys for dogs and cats and sell them at pet stores or online. Idea number 8 is cleaning products. With a growing interest in eco-friendly and natural products, you can create your own line of cleaning products made with natural ingredients. The ninth idea is customized phone cases. You can create and sell customized phone cases for different phone models. This can be done through an online store or at local fairs and markets. A great example of this business is Casetify, which is quite popular among the influencer community, and they have very interesting designs that a lot of people want. The 10th idea is personalized gift items. Gift items such as mugs, keychains, and photo frames can be made with a small investment in equipment and supplies. You can offer customization options such as text, photos, and graphics. The 11th idea is organic cosmetics. With the growing demand for natural and organic cosmetics, you can create your own line of beauty products made with natural and organic ingredients. This can include skincare, hair care, and makeup products. Idea number 12 is fabric accessories. You can create and sell fabric accessories such as hairbands, which are quite popular and trendy at the moment, scrunchies, and handbags, just to mention a few. You also have an option to offer custom designs and print options. The 13th idea is bamboo products. Bamboo is an eco-friendly and sustainable material that can be used to make a variety of products such as toothbrushes, utensils, and cutting boards. You can also use bamboo to make decorative items. Idea number 14 is organic farming. You can start an organic farming business with a small plot of land, if you have one, and sell your produce at local markets. The 15th idea is paper products. You can create and sell handmade paper products such as journals, cards, and stationery. This can be done using recycled materials or sustainable paper sources. The 16th idea is natural bath and body products. You can create and sell natural bath and body products such as bath bombs, body scrubs, and lotions. These products can be made with natural ingredients like essential oils, herbs, and organic materials. The 17th idea is woodworking. You can start a woodworking business by creating handmade wooden products such as furniture, toys, and kitchen utensils. This can be done with a small workshop and basic tools, or you could just do it from home. The 18th idea is customized stickers and decals. You can create and sell customized stickers and decals for cars, laptops, and other surfaces. You can offer a variety of designs and customization options. The 19th idea is homemade sauces and seasonings. You can create and sell homemade sauces, seasonings, and spice blends. These products can be sold at local farmers markets or online. The 20th and final business idea is 3D printing. This is an innovative technology that can be used to create a variety of products such as prototypes, sculptures, and jewelry. You can start a 3D business with a small investment in equipment and materials. The key to success in any manufacturing business is to identify a unique product or niche and offer high-quality products at competitive prices. And remember that with any manufacturing business idea, it is important to research your market, create a business plan, and consider your pricing and marketing strategies before getting started. These are just a few ideas to help you get started. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. And if you'd like to start your own online business, then check my description box for more information.